Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will learn sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent, what is sukoon or jazm sign, what is mutaharrik letter, and how do we pronounce the sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent. We will learn all these things in this lesson. What is sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent? Viewers, a letter which has sukoon or jazm sign, that letter is called sakin letter or silent letter. This sign is called jazm sign or sukoon sign, and this sign is always placed above the letter or top of the letter. What is sukoon or jazm sign? This sign is called jazm sign or sukoon sign. How do we pronounce the sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent? Viewers, the sakin letter or silent letter is pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. And what is the mutaharrik letter? The letter which has zabar, zir or pesh on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. How do we pronounce the sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent? Here, this letter zal is silent letter because it has jazm sign on it, and here hamza is mutaharrik letter because it has harkat zabar on it. How do we pronounce this sakin letter with mutaharrik letter? Let's learn. Hamza zal zabar al, hamza zal zir id, hamza zal pesh ud, al id ud. This is the example of silent letter, and silent letter will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it in an Arabic accent. Inshallah, in coming videos we will learn more example of silent letter. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.